So this week I helped out with Tess and Luke on their main bathroom. Tess was really about doing a little bit more of minimalism in the space. So with her lighting, she wanted to be a little bit more discreet. That was mainly because her furnishings and everything else were mainly what she wanted to speak for. So we used the LED-like Strix over the top of her vanity. We put the Strix as close to the mirror as we possibly could. And what that helped do was give a really nice illumination off the mirror back onto the person who was using it. So it was perfect for like makeup or shaving applications in the space. With this room, there wasn't too many challenges. The main thing was not having anything on the wall. They'd already tiled, so there wasn't really any chance to put anything actually on the wall itself. We'd normally put a wall-mounted bracket on the wall above the vanity. We decided to do the Strix, which had a very similar look, but it gave the same effect without having to compromise the wall or the tiling. There's a few different zones in which electricals can actually be placed in bathroom areas. So especially over the vanity area, it is important to be 60 centimeters above the vanity and the actual basin itself, and also away from the shower.